Hey, welcome to Recreation USA! Let's take a quick look at this 2025 Keystone Cougar 320RDS Hero Edition. Rear Den, Hero Edition, King Bed Prep, Auto Leveling, 16 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge. Why Recreation USA is the #1 authority. The 2025 Keystone Cougar 320RDS in the exclusive Hero Edition is a rare find that combines rugged capability with sophisticated style. Featuring the striking forest green matte paint, frameless windows, and custom blackout trim, this fifth wheel stands out at any campground. Inside, you'll find an expansive rear den layout with an L-shaped sofa, theater seating, and premium residential finishes. As the #1 independent dealer in the Southeast, we believe in radical honesty. Whether buying new or pre-owned, you get our lowest price up front with absolutely no hidden fees in the back end. No surprise freight, no prep fees, just honest, transparent pricing. Make this immaculate pre-loved gem yours today. Give us a call at 843-756-1072.